split down there, just going up to Fortress Cliffs.
We got a bit excited, so it's now dark. We think we've got a camping spot. We're heading out into it. Thought I had a fantastic first day. Gorgeous sunset. Woo! Split all the way across the water there, with some snowy peaks in the background that we're calling the Specialised. Here's Bobby. Here's Bobby. Hello, Bobby. Sheep neck. We arrived at a campsite at 11 this morning, bit of a day off. What are we doing? Going back out on the bicycles. Just can't get enough. Hello. You're gorgeous. Come on, let's go. The highlight. Wow. Wow. Just a few cats then. Hello guys. How's it going? God, these must just all be wild. They live in here. Come on. Hello. Here's another cat. Whoa! This will be your power shower any day. Whoa. So we've had a flat tyre this morning and a broken chain.
New brakes?
New brakes. Guilty party back there. The Awol's holding up grand. Who would have thought it? The Shirley's been breaking down. It's Sunday the 19th.
I don't wanna let myself down.
Oh, reindeer spotted. Donkeys.
20 postcards.
Hvar, we've arrived. Starry Grab Plain. Climbed a very steep hill. Lovely camping spot there though. This is the deserted village of Humac. Tasha? Oh, beautiful. Downhill, here we go. Mainland Croatia again, on our way to the next ferry port. Coastal road the whole way. Bit of this, bit of busy road. It's going to be nice. It's chilly, we're wrapped up warm, but oh, you just can't beat it. What's on, bird? Ferry! Just got off the ferry. It's the day before Christmas Eve. We're ascending up there into the mountains of doom. About 9k of climbing to get there. About an hour of sunlight. Let's go then. Rudolph, the high-vis reindeer, and Santa the helmet claws. Alright, let's get. Oh, I got the wrong bit. Ho ho. No. Oh my god. Ah, it's raining. I can't get my camera out, but that is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. The red sun has just gone down. That was a sight. I'm glad we made it. This is beautiful. Brakes are going on. Just checking where Tasha is. Get a bit excited on the downhills. story. Just good camera angle. So sun's falling pretty quick. This is a campsite down here. Just caught the owners sat around in the conservatory. I asked if we could stay. It was a no. So we're just going to have to camp around the corner instead. Hopefully find somewhere before dark. We press on. So we found a track that should lead down to the beach. What is this place? The show must go on. Well, we got some in. He's going to try and catch me off guard. You are so cute. Oh, you bugger. Got me. Dips for days. I've just been for a swim. I tried to put my clothes back on and this little fella's come to say hello.
Hi, Shadow. Hello. Hello. I'll check the coffee and see if it's done. Oh. Not yet.
Can you have too much video footage of a cat? I don't think so. Oi! Chilling. Wrapped up walk, we've just been for a swim, but jacket's coming off soon. It's very nice this morning. Final stretch on Route 8, 10k to go, and we're in Dubrovnik for New Year's. Happy days.